Hello, what's up mga kabisdak? So nagbabalik na naman si Kerv Bisaya. So for today, ang gagawin po natin ay gagawa po tayo ng reaction video tungkol po sa issue ni Hungry Syrian Wanderer. Kasi ngayon po ay sobrang issue to ngayon. So ito nga, kasi yung napanood ko yung video talaga ay parang ayan, hindi ko kaya kasi nga itong tao na to ay sobrang matulungin lalo sa mga Pilipino. Ayan, so ngayon po ay gumawa po ako talaga ipahayag rin po yung feelings ko sa nangyayari kay The Hungry Syrian Wanderer. Kasi po ay tumulong na nga po siya pa ang sinisiraan. So, ito, pakinggan natin yung video niya at doon tayo mag-react. Kasi nga ay hindi maganda talaga yung ginawa ng Koreano na yun. Ginawa na nga, tinuring na nga siyang tatay. Ngayon, gumawa po talaga ako na reaction. Ito nga, dyan yan sa dashboard natin. Kasi nga, naawa kasi siyempre sobrang bait nan at saka pusong Pilipino talaga. So ito ipi-play natin at tingnan natin yung video ni BASEL, the Hungry Syrian Wanderer. Ayan po, play natin.
I did my best to help him, and later you will find out the very big help that I did to him, which costed me millions of pesos, guys. I did a very big project for him. It costed me 5 million pesos. I'm very annoyed because they are trying to discredit me, talk bad about me.
40,000 already.
So this is the time he's talking
now
about.
go to selling, money get now. Huh?
What does he mean?
Me now go to today how much selling? 20,000, 15,000 money get. Tomorrow okay buy give.
Yeah.
You secret 10% money pay me.
10%.
10%. Or today 20,000.
So he said, you secret.
So ayan nga, sabi ni Mr.Chan, secret daw kasi nga daw si Sir Bobby, mayroon daw 10% pa yata yun. So pakinggan natin uli si Mr. BASEL. Ano yung reaction?
He's telling me not to tell anyone. He pays 10% of whatever he's selling to Bobby, the Filipino guy who's claiming now to help him and support him and talking bad about me.
Selling 2,000 pay.
To who?
Bobby, you don't talk to who?
I said, to who? He said, Bobby, you don't talk. So it's Aboeji who's saying Bobby is taking money from him and asking money every day. And Bobby goes to the TV and say that he's helping him for free.
Understand now.
So ayan, tingnan mo, wag daw maingay kasi nga kumukuha daw si Sir Bobby ng 10% at yun nga sinasabi ni Mr. Chan kay Mr. BASEL. Ayan, so tingnan natin pa.
Somebody meet on talk.
Yeah.
Because this one, Bobby only help me. This one video, TV, everything. Bobby only help me. No income. Already talking, Bobby. Somebody talk problem, Bobby. Only my son talking, no problem.
So ayan, 'di ba? Yun na nagsabi nga si Mr. Chan na marami daw salita si Mr. Bobby kay Mr. Chan. So ayaw ni Mr. Chan na pagsasabi. Pero ito kasi itong video kasi to ay tinago lang to. So hindi mo na to pinakita ni Mr. BASEL or ni Hungry Syrian Wanderer. Pero dahil ay napuno na siya, ayan po ay yun nilabas na niya. Ano kasi to yung issue na talaga to ay 'di ba? Para kung tayo ay tinulungan na nga natin yung isang tao tapos ganun pa ang gagawin. So, pakinggan natin tong reaction ni Sir Basel or the Hungry Syrian Wanderer. Tuloy natin.
Give me 7,500. Why somebody, which is me, 100 pesos, no give me. And me, when I watched that video, I just held my head like that. And I said, why? Why, Aboeji? Like, why are you doing that to me, you know? You know that I hurt you a lot. And when I say a lot, way off camera than on camera. And the funny thing in here is I'm just not talking. I have evidence, but I don't upload everything. I don't show everything to people. I do a lot of help, I show some. I don't show everything. So I got hurt, I got affected. And let me explain to you. I don't have problem. First of all, I don't have problem with the starting Filipino YouTuber. To be honest with you, I invited him to Yolo Retro Diner and we had a meeting. I explained to him, Aboeji did this to me. Many things. I showed him evidence, videos, emails. I showed him many things that happened and it hurt me. That's why I told him, until now, I don't want to make any public statement. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to explain anything because I know myself and I know what I've done for him. So that Filipino YouTuber, after we had the meeting, he asked me, what should I do? Should I expose him? I told him, no, hold on. I don't want people to bash him and I don't want him to get hated by people. So after I explained everything to the Filipino YouTuber and I showed him everything, evidence, videos of me helping Aboeji off camera. So still, after I exposed Mr.Chang to the Filipino YouTuber for him to stop mentioning me and talking bad about me because I told him you have to be a responsible vlogger, he still chose to film with Aboeji, make a video with him and just act like nothing has happened and like I didn't even talk to him. And he claimed to be one of my supporters. After you knew everything and after all the things I have showed you, you wouldn't do what you did. So I am cutting ties on that person. I don't want to do anything with him anymore. Bobby and Aboeji together. Bobby and Aboeji. So Bobby is the guy who let Aboeji sell in front of his store. So guys, I'll share you my screen now and I'll show you.
So, yan si Bobby, isang kaibigan niya ni Mr. Chan na laging pumupunta doon sa pwesto ni Mr. Chan. So, pumupunta lang kasi kilala na ni Mr. Chan si Mr. Bobby. At ito na nga po yung nangyayari. Yan, tuloy natin.
Only some of the videos and the things that I have and that will show you the real Aboeji and Bobby and the other guys that are with him. And they are talking bad about me and that I didn't help him, I didn't do anything. And that Bobby is helping him. Let's watch the video. So first mga tao, I'll show you the date of this video. This is the vlog. Let's go to the details, get info.
Ayan, so forward natin konti. Ayan, so may video si ito.
Those people, no food, no water. So now I will forward it to the part where he's talking about Bobby, the guy who's discrediting me with him and talking bad about me. Let's forward it.
So pangit naman kasi rin na, 'di ba, mag-discriminate ka ng isang tao dahil lang po sa parang walang kwentang mga yung gagawin mo. So pangit yung ganun, 'di ba? So pakinggan natin si Sir Basa.
40,000. Oh, Chirong.
Okay.
40,000 already. This one put. Now go to selling. Money get now. Huh?
What does he mean?
Me now go to today how much selling? 20,000. 15,000 money get. Tomorrow okay buy give.
Yeah.
You secret 10% money pay me.
10%.
10%. Or today 20,000.
So he said, you secret. He's telling.
So ayan yung si Mr. Bobby pala kumukuha ng 10% kay Mr. Chan. So ayan nga. So sabi nga ni Mr. Basel, secret daw, sabi ni Mr. Chan. Pakinggan natin anong reaction nito.
Me not to tell anyone. He pays 10% of whatever he's selling to Bobby, the Filipino guy who's claiming now him and support him and talking bad about me. So in a way, he's trying to use Aboeji to talk bad about me and at the same time, he's making fun of me, the Bobby guy. So What he's saying, Aboeji, in my car, he said, secret, Bobby always asks me 10% of my income, and he got 40,000 pesos he's not paying me. And he said every day, this is according to Aboeji, not according to me. This is not coming from my mouth, it's coming from Aboeji's mouth.
So ayan, yun nga, ano rin si Sir Basil, kasi nga nagsabi nga si Mr. Chan sa kanya. Kasi yung galing kay Mr. Basil yung kwento na yun, galing po kay Mr. Chan. So pakinggan po natin.
2,000
To who?
Bobby, you don't talk to who?
I said, to who? He said, Bobby, you don't talk. So it's Aboeji who's saying Bobby is taking money from him and asking money every day, and Bobby goes to the TV and say that he's helping him for free.
Yeah,
see.
Equal 5,000 give you. 10 day. 1 day 500. 2 day use already give him 30,000 give me. I take money.
Aboeji goes to him and he asks him my sales in the noodles. He say, according to Aboeji, Bobby say, no money, I don't have money.
So ayun, di ba? Grabe no, grabe talaga. Hindi naman lahat ng mga Pilipino, pero may tao talagang ganun. So, ayan, tuloy natin. Grabe.
This one, every day 15,000, 1,500 give.
If he sells 15,000, he gives Bobby 1,500.
10% more.
So, tingnan mo, 19%. Ayan, tuloy natin to.
Small money, small money, small money. Okay, understand?
So what I will show you now is a clip of this guy, Bobby, and making videos to discredit me and deny the help that I offered for Aboeji and the help that I did.
So ayan nga, ang ano kasi, ang issue kasi nito, pinagkalat rin ni Mr. Chan na hindi daw tumulong si Mr. Basil kay Mr. Chan. So kung hindi tumulong, yung time na pumunta si Mr. Basil at saka yung staff niya doon sa bahay ni Mr. Chan, na nilinisan pa yung bahay kasi sobrang kalat. Kung nakita nyo yung video na yun, sobrang kalat yun. At binilhan pa yun ng refrigerator ni Mr. Basil. Ito ang titingnan natin kung ano talaga itong nangyayari. So, di ba? Pangit yung ano ito. Play natin.
Selling. Pwesto ko. Libre, wala kang babayaran. Sabi ko, habang pandemic, dito ka.
Understand now. Somebody meet on Tok.
Yeah.
Because this one, Bobby only help me. This one video, TV, everything. Bobby only help me. No income. Already talking, Bobby. Somebody talk problem, Bobby. Only my son talking, no problem.
This is part of the video earlier. I forgot to show it, guys.
If you have problem, you tell me. Me, try helping you.
No problem. Okay.
If you have problem, you tell me. Me, I try to help you, Aboeji.
Okay, my son, no problem.
Okay?
No problem.
But I didn't know this happened, Aboeji. It's not good like that, no good. Because we money...
So, this is how the video ended. And then he kept on talking about Bobby. He's taking money from him and all the stuff that he told me. Actually, guys, he knows that I'm filming there. He's not afraid to talk because he knows he have me. I told him that I'll be protecting him at all costs. But I'm shocked that he's doing this to me right now. As of now, I'm shocked that he's doing that to me. Let's play this video. So, to explain to you in short, guys, what they did is the Filipino guy, Bobby, he's filming. He went to Aboeji's house. I cleaned his house many times. I brought my stuff to clean his house many times. We made over his house many times. We put him wallpaper. We bought him refrigerator, appliances, dining table, chair, everything. I cleaned his house. I filmed it.
Yan na yung time na sasabi ni Bobby na wala daw nulong si Mr. Basil or the hungry Syrian Vlogger. So ito, pakinggan natin yung video niya.
One time. But after that, I cleaned it many times and I brought my stuff to do it. And my stuff can be a witness of that.
Yan.
Nilipat lang pala yung kalat eh. Nilipat lang yung kalat. Kanya. O, tingnan nyo ha. Inalis niya rito. Ito, nilagay na lang dito oh. Ang mga kalat. Oh. Ayan.
So ayan, siniraan pa si Mr. Basel. Kumbaga, siniraan pa si Mr. Basel kay Mr. Bobby. So, uusin, pangit talaga rin. Kumbaga, dalawang beses nga daw pumunta si Mr. Basel sa bahay ni Mr. Chan para lang linisan bila ng mga chair at saka mga ref, mga gamit. Tapos, nag-video si Mr. Bobby. So, ganun ang ibinibideo nila. Ayan, tingnan natin kung ano nila.
Kita nyo naman, no? Ito lang sa tabing pinto. Isinumbak lang, nilabas. Ano ba talaga? Ano bang... Ay, nako. Alam ko, maraming magagaling sa akin.
You know what? Let's call one of my staff.
So, ayan, ditong time na to na tumawag si Sir Basel sa staff niya para talaga may proof na pumunta sila doon at naglinis. Kasi iba kasi yung sinabi ni Mr. Bobby yun sa vlog niya. Tingnan mo, mali, pangit yung mga parang siniraan si Sir Basel. So ito, pakinggan natin yung reaction.
Jeff, which was one of the guys who are with me that time. So this is candid, guys. I did not tell my staff that I'd be calling them or anything. Because what they are claiming, I did not fix his room, I did not fix his house, and we just put the garbage aside. Like we hide the garbage, but it's just there.
Yan na po yung time na tumawag si Sir Basel sa staff niya kasi nga...
Okay, Jeff, may tatanong ako sa iyo.
Ano po yun, Chef?
Ilan beses papunta tayo si Aboeji sa bahay niya tapos we linis his house? Maraming beses or
Dalawa po.
Dalawa?
Opo.
Oo. Tapos yung
So ayan, 2 times pala pumunta sila doon. Kasama yung staff ni Sir Basel. So ayan.
una, dalawa, punta tayo tapos yung una, the first time I bought him stuff for his house, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Tapos lagi tayo linis yung bahay niya, lagay tayo wallpaper. Ano pa?
Nag-deliver pa po tayo ng rep sa kanya, tsaka po ng mga pagkain.
Di ba lagay tayo refrigerator, saka pagkain?
Yes, sir.
Saka pag uwi na tayo, ano yung sitwasyon ng kwarto niya?
Okay na po, sir. Malinis po.
Malinis, saka maganda or pangit or ano status ng kwarto? How do you say it? How does his room look like when we left?
Para pang hotel po.
Para pang hotel.
Yes, sir.
On the second time when we went there, we were not filming, right? I was not filming the second time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because they are saying I just put the basura in the corner of his room or what? That's what they are saying. Tapos,
So ayan nung unang punta pala nila, namili pa sila ni Sir Basel sa namili ng gamit para kay Mr. Chan. Tapos yun nga, kasama yung staff niya. Tapos pangalawang punta nila, ayun na, hindi na siya nag-film, hindi na siya gumawa ng video doon kasi nga sabi daw may mga basura na. So tingnan mo, iba yung sinabi sa vlog ni Mr. Bobby. So ito, tuloy natin.
they removed the refrigerator that I bought him and the appliances I bought him when they are filming his room. Okay, sige, Jeff. Just continue working. Bye. Okay, so this is a candid call to my staff, one of the people who came with me to fix his room. So, what they are doing, they messed up his room just like Aboeji's style. And I was shocked. That's one of the red flags that I had on him. He keeps on messing up his room throwing stuff on the floor, all over the place. So what's happening, guys, is we started bonding together, so I always visit him in his house. And that's the time I noticed every time we fix his house, his room, it gets messy the next day. So what I realized, he's doing that on a purpose to bring YouTubers or people who are filming to show his room and the status of his room, and then show to the people that my room is messy. Now for Bobby, the guy with him, who's saying, why
So ayan guys, siguro kaya siguro ginawa nila yun nga kasi yung unang punta ni Mr. Basel doon sa bahay ni Mr. Chan at inayos nila, binilan pa ng mga gamit, at pangalawa siguro yun nga, siguro may mga pumunta ng mga vlogger at gustong mag-ano kasi nga sikat na si Mr. Chan at ginagawa niya. So that time na pumunta si Mr. Bobby doon na daming basura, hindi nakaayos yung mga mga gamit ni Mr. Chan doon. So yun yung pangit doon. Parang siniraan nila si Mr. Basel, parang ganun na porket lagi si Sir Basel doon na pumupunta naman tapos ganun ang nangyayari. Ayan. So pakinggan natin yung video ni Mr. Basel.
the situation of Mr. Chang is like that? Why BASEL is not helping him? Diba you are there, Bobby? Why don't you help him yourself? Why don't you clean his room? Are you waiting for me to do that? I'm helping him, yes. I'm doing my best to help him. Financially, support his tinda that he's selling in the street. Help him with many things that I'll mention later. But you, what are you doing? You're only discrediting me, talking bad about me, saying that I never helped him. In a good way. You're trying to make it in a good way. But it's very bad what you're doing. What do you think of me and my staff, Team YOLO? Are we a maid? A kasampahay? Every day, we will go to Mr. Chang's house, Linus's house, his cuarto. We did it many times. But that's what he wants to show to the people. He keeps on messing up his room, bringing people to picture, to get sympathy from Filipinos, which is not good. And I'll do that. Later on, I'll tell you more details on that. So mga tao, let's play the video of Bobby.
Ayan. So ayan guys, tingnan natin yung video ni Bobby. Kung ano yung pinabibideo na sa loob ng bahay ni Mr. Chan.
Okay.
No coming, no more. This one apple, don't give me. Everything don't give me.
Natawa na lang si Mr. Basel sa ginagawa ni Mr. Bobby at saka Mr. Chan. So ayan.
Christmas, December 24. No call, no coming. This one, banana, apple, don't give me. Don't say no telephone. My house.
Like, they are all laughing, Bobby and the guy who's filming. How funny it is to discredit someone who's done a lot for Aboeji and who made him Aboeji. I changed his life. How funny it is they are laughing at me, discrediting me, for him to say that I didn't give him a banana, I didn't give him apple. How funny is that? So he's claiming I did not go to him in Christmas, I did not call him. Is he crazy? Are they crazy? They keep on making videos talking bad about me and saying false things that never happened and lying. Why will I go to him in Christmas? Why will I call him? Let's watch what he's saying.
Maybe video making, YouTube making, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock kami.
Tingnan mo.
God. So he's saying, if I am making a YouTube video, I will go to him 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. So what happened is that time, there's a Korean guy who's with us. And we had a meeting, me, the Korean guy, his name is David, and Aboeji. And he told me, the Korean guy, Aboeji wants to join your missions in helping people. So I believed him. I told him, Aboeji, if you want to join me on my missions, you are welcome. Because he said he wants to help people just like me. Told him, you're welcome to come with me. I never knew his real intentions. which are coming out now. So his real intentions, he wants to ask me a lot of money, and he has people with him. So the only one time that I invited him to my vlogs was during distribution of the relief goods during the typhoon Ulysses, or what you call it, I don't know, to Rizal, Cagayan. So that's the only time I invited him. And yes, I went there 5 or 4 a.m. in the morning because according to him, he wanted to join me in distributing the relief goods. So that's the only time that I invited him because he said he wants to be part of my helping mission. So now mga tao, I will tell you something about his appearance on my vlogs. He's the one who wants to appear on my vlogs. He's the one who kept on messaging and calling me. He's the one who kept on sticking by my side. He's the one who told me now, very famous, Aboeji now, me Aboeji, even traffic enforcer, stop me no mask, me say, hungry Syrian, traffic enforcer say, Aboeji, bye-bye. He's the one who wanted to be by my side. And I don't use people. I do not use people. I work hard for what I have and I help people. I share from my money, from my earnings. I hire people. I hire Filipinos. When I grow my business, people grow with me. I'm not Aboeji. I don't do what he's doing. I don't discredit people. I don't talk bad about people. What I'm saying now is not to talk bad about him or that guy. I'm just showing the reality. I'm showing the truth in here. For him to discredit me like that is something terrible. And what I found out from one of his group, that they are trying to extort money from me, from the vlogs that he appeared with me on my channel. So really smart, right? So they tried to cook it on a slow fire, and then they came to me one time. So they are having a meeting and they talked about it. There is someone from the inside, from them, who sent me a recording of them talking. I would rather give this money to someone who needs it in the street. I would rather give it to a Filipino homeless man, but I will not give it to this Korean guy because he doesn't deserve it. So I'll explain to you why you don't have fight in here. First thing, this is my channel. Second thing, you came willingly and wanted intentionally to be on my vlogs because you said it's helping you to get famous, and you said people, they love you for who I made you look like. I didn't show your negative, bad behavior. I only showed the positive side in you, and it helped you even in your selling noodles in the street. People, they stopped to buy because you are Aboeji. So I help you bigger, way bigger than just 7,000 or 10,000 pesos. So I help you a lot. Third thing, I didn't make any contract between me and you that I'll be paying you big amount of money. I didn't make any statement that I'll be giving you salary, daily salary from YouTube. But I was doing that off camera. I was helping you with your noodles, buying stocks, delivering your signages, dropping you to pick up your money from the people who are selling your noodles. All these things I was doing it off camera. So imagine guys, he started with one store, and then when we became together, he has 4 or 5 stores in different locations. So I helped him a lot, even off camera. So where do you think that money comes from? Did I vlog that? No. Who do you think is the backbone of all these places that he's selling noodles? I never mentioned anything about that. I never mentioned about the help that I did for him. So let's make an example only. These YouTube channels will help people, or big TV stations will help people. Imagine they're gonna help someone and they're gonna do something really good for someone, and then one person came to them to ask for help, and then they helped that person. Can that person go back to that YouTube channel and ask them for money because they got 5 million views? No. Why? Because it's their channel. Those people who did something and make a video and worked on that video and helped this man, that's their channel. I cannot go to them and say, you know, you have to give me 5 million pesos. I cannot do that. I'll be just glad enough that they helped me. So if there is a Korean guy watching me, you should translate the Korean guy with this Bobby. They're trying to be very, very smart. They really did a very good job, but they are very bad in acting.
So ayun guys, grabe talaga yung ginawa ni Mr. Chan kay Sir Basil. Grabe, hindi talaga niya tiningnan yung tulong na ginawa ni Sir Basil sa kanya. Siniraan pa siya. May mga tao talagang ganun. Siguro, ikaw, Mr. Chan, sana mo, uwi ka na lang doon sa inyo, sa Korea, kung ganyan naman ang ugali mo. Kasi hindi maganda talaga yung ginawa mo na ibang lahi pa yung tumulong sa kanyo, sa iyo, at tignan mo yung attitude na pinakita mo sa buong tao, buong mundo, hindi maganda. So tinulungan ka na nga, tapos ganyan ka pa. So dapat umuwi ka na lang doon sa inyo. Alam mo bang yan si Sir BASEL ay maraming natulungan yan, at ang puso po niyan ay Pilipino talaga. So matulungin yan. So tapos ganyan lang ang ginawa mo. So sana magbago ka, Mr. Chan. At kay Mr. Bobby po, Mr. Bobby, sana po ay hindi nyo na ginawa yung ganun, kasi hindi naman talaga dapat at hindi maganda yung ginawa mo na sinisiraan mo yung isang tao na para lang po ay makilala po kayo, or makakuha ng kung ano man yung dapat makuha mo. Dapat hindi po ganun. So sana po ay Mr. Bobby, ang ano lang po sa akin, sana po ay baguhin nyo po yun. So dito na lang po ako, guys. Sa mga hindi pa na-subscribe sa akin channel, please po subscribe. At sana magustuhan nyo yung reaction video natin. God bless po.